So you guys might be facing an issue which is Vanguard not initializing or Vanguard error code 57. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So firstly, just whenever this pop-up comes on your screen, just simply press quit. That's all. And now let's begin the process. So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix Vanguard error 57 code. So there are a few steps that you can do to fix this issue. So let's get on with it. So now the first thing that you have to do is completely close your game. So for doing that, just simply click at the drop down box over here. And then from over here, just simply click Riot Vanguard application. Then choose exit. So it will ask you, are you really sure that you want to exit the Vanguard or not? Just simply press yes. Now open your task manager just by simply right clicking on your start menu. Then task manager. Then over here, just simply find anything related to Riot or Valorant. So just simply search for it. So if you find anything related to Riot or Vanguard, just simply right click on that particular program. Then click end task. And that should end all the application and all the tasks regarding that particular application. So after doing all of that, let's get on with the first step. So for the first step, what you have to do is just simply open up the search icon, then search CMD, then just simply click run as administrator over here. And now what you have to do is just simply type few commands, which you will find in the description box below. So the commands are sc delete vgc. So just simply copy and paste from the description box. Then after entering this, just simply press enter. So as you can see, it is done successfully. Now just simply copy and paste the other command. You can also find this one in the description as well. Just paste and enter. Now just simply close the command prompt. And now for the second step. So now what you have to do is just simply open up your file explorer. You open file explorer, then go to this PC, then go to C, then go to program files, then just simply scroll down, then just simply click on Riot Vanguard, then press delete, then again press continue, and the Riot Vanguard should be deleted now. And now what you have to do is just simply search for Riot client, which is over here. So open it and press yes. So when the Riot client opens, you will find your Valorant. Just simply open that. And over there you will find update besides play. So what you have to do is just simply update your Valorant. And then when the update is completed, restart your system. So as you can see, the update is now completed. Now I will just simply restart the system and then we will continue on. Now after restarting the system, just simply search for Valorant. And simply open Valorant. Then just simply press yes. Now it might take few seconds for the game to actually start. So just simply wait for it. So as you can see, my game just started without any complications whatsoever. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.